So actually guys, ang Diba matagal na namin yung gusto na puntahan. Kaso yung hotel niya medyo mahal kasi yung VAT nila, we don't know bakit ang mahal ng VAT nila. How much the VAT for the Diba? 27.30. Yeah, how much? 27%? Yeah, it's like that guys. Parang Maldives din. Kaya nagtataka din si Kitty Pie kung bakit ang mahal ng tax sa Diba. Actually, sabi ng driver sa amin dati, yung nag-tour kami sa Fujairah, ang Diba daw is the best tourist spots of Fujairah. Kaya now, i-check namin ni Kitty Pie. So, para hindi kami lugi. Kasi, ang layo kasi niyan guys, magta-travel kami ng more than 3 hours, yes, from Abu Dhabi. So, nagkuha na lang kami ng 3 days at gagawa na lang din kami doon ng mga activities. So, ito guys. So, ayan. I think we travel to Fujairah less than 1 hour na. We are nearby na actually. 1 hour. Grabe ang stones guys. So guys, dito na kami sa Fujairah. So pick upin namin yung watch ni Kitty Pie na naiwan during my birthday last April. Yeah. Then after we will go Diba. So we will travel from here to Diba around 30 minutes. So malayo pa talaga siya. Yan ang tuk-tuk sa Fujairah. Kami sa Platinum Coast. Ayan. Kinuha na ni Kitty Pie yung watch. So, last April guys, naiwan yung watch niya dito. Yung birthday ko dito kasi kami nag-celebrate. Ayan. Kaya yun. Kinuha niya bago kami papunta doon sa Diba. Ay, gutom na ako. Diyos ko Lord. So, we are on the way na guys. Ay, Diba pala. Sorry.
Nice.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Okay, you have a Mercedes, like a music music.
Nakarating din kami. Hi! Grabe ang travel namin from Abu Dhabi. Ang layo pala no. What I mean is malayo pala to from the Fujairah. So much better nagkorfakan kami.
Dito po sa Masapi.
Ay, ang layo! So we are here na guys in the Haliti Beach Resort here in the Diba. Diyos ko po, ang layo talaga. Okay guys, dito na kami. So this is our surrounding of this video. Wow! Parang Maldives lang din, hindi lang siya nag-floating. Say Maldives, but it's not a floating villa. Hello! Come here. Wait. Guys, this is the proper Diba. O, see? Hindi pa din siya nakontento sa sa Maldives. So this is our room guys, look like this, yes. So mag-stay kami dito ng 3 days, yeah. See? Ayan. This is it. So it's not only a floating villa, this one. So we are in the Haliti Beach Resort. Ayan. See, that is the pool area. See guys, ang ganda. Very, very relaxing place, lalo na yung beach. Yes. So ngayon, magkakain kami ng aming lunch, late lunch na talaga. Kasi grabe ang layo guys. Alam nyo ba, from the city, from Fujairah, nagta-travel pa kami ng 1 hour sa taxi from Fujairah going here. Diyos ko, ang hinahanap ni Kitty Pay, ang ano lang, ang di-barak. Ay, di-barak lang talagang hinahanap niya guys. Yeah, this is there. Yes. Oh my God, this is So the breakfast also is here, right? Yeah, I know. Let me Kitty Pie. First here at San Miguel Beer.
Thank you, people. Sorry.
Sige, for this video, I think we're only 2 rin ngayon. We are only 2 now. Actually, it's late. Yep. Too much there. Yeah, the breakfast is here. That's why Kitty Pie thought we're coming here. Here guys, it's around 5 o'clock. Oh, wow. See, this is for me. Yeah. Kitty Pie. Oh, this is my biryani. Oh my God. Chicken biryani. Yeah, see, this is the reception. So guys, this is the surroundings guys. The sunset is coming. See, we take away our foods. See, HBR Holiday Beach Resort. See guys, yeah, I don't like banana boat. So ang daming ano ngayon nabubuking. I don't like banana boat. It's so scary. They will flip tuck that one. That's why I don't like. Kitty Pie. I wait here, okay? So, hello guys! So, welcome here in the Holiday Beach Resort here in Diba. So, outfit check tayo. So, actually guys, this is our second day here. So, it's a swimming time. So, actually guys, may plan sana akong magkayaki kaso si Kitty Pie ayaw na niya kasi nga daw wala akong tiwala sa kanya. So, outfit check muna tayo guys. So, for today's video, hindi ako fans ni Shein ngayon. So, fans ako ni Cotton On. Yes. So, starting yesterday guys, all my dress is from Cotton On. So, shout out di kabayan na naka-assess sa akin doon sa Alwada Mall. So, naka-sale talaga to lahat guys. Yes. So, this is my first time guys na nagsuot ng ganitong design. Nagulat si Kitty Pie. Kasi hindi talaga ako mahilig yung rush guard design. Yan. So, outfit check. So, it's purple color. Hindi ko din alam guys na yung sunglasses ko pala na nabili doon sa sa Tory Burch is also a purple. See? Seriously, ngayon ko pa nakita pag ganito na. O, diba? So, see you on the beach! So, actually guys, so look at, don't mind our bed. Is already mess, yeah? So this is it. So that is Kitty Pie is also ready to going in the beach. Kitty Pie. So I also forgot to wear my cap, yeah. See? Actually, yung isa kong cap na favorite na nabili namin sa Guwa. Naiwan ko talaga. See? See? Oh my God. See you there, guys.
See, it turned me actually. It turned? No, I need to take video for you, right? It's taking video. Hmm?
Selfie here. Come. Lassie. Come. You're coming here too. Why
Water
you
is
scared the
coming
water?
here.
Of course. It's not the reflection. You put that water for you.
Anyway.
Wala, I want to take this cup, right?
Hmm.
Nice, not nice.
Water level.
Why you scared? Isn't that this time for the water? See it. Okay, you put that in the water. We try. What is that? Go. Can you take a picture there? This one?
Come down.
You can put same is.
No, wait. I'll just go down.
No, I want the also yeah. I want also the like that. Finish first the video. I want the. Give me.